Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Big 5 personality assessments. So what's a Big 5 personality test or assessment? These assessments focus on the 5 dimensions of openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. These characteristics are thought to be the most important and universal aspects of personality. It's widely used due to its versatility across contexts such as personal development, education, and business. Using this test, individuals can identify weaknesses in each dimension, which can be used to improve their personal and professional lives. Anyone can use this test, however, it is especially useful for professionals such as psychologists, life coaches, and human resource specialists. The first step to completing these worksheets is to read and rate each statement on a scale from 0 to 5. The second step is to total your points for each trait and score results. You will tally scores for each of the 5 traits to determine where you stand within each category. Once completed, it's recommended to apply the results within your personal life with reflection. Our sample assessment of the Big 5 personality is freely available for you to use. Google carepatron.com to find the sample worksheet within our platform. Choose the template within Carepatron, access the Templates tab, filter by assessment and by community to view all our collection. If you'd like to find the note faster, type in the keywords Big 5. Click on the Select Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit information as you please. Once you're happy, click Publish to complete.